How to be a good lecturer. The word lecture is enough to elicit groans from almost anyone. Ask around if you don't believe it. Nonetheless, there is no reason a lecturer needs to be boring or hard to follow. With a few tips, techniques, and some practice, anyone can give a good lecture. You will need good planning skills, media and technological aids, and a sense of humor. Optional: force powers. Step 1. Planning. Being a good lecturer starts with good planning. Begin by identifying your lecture topic and outlining your lecture material. Prepare appropriate media aid as well, as these will go a long way into helping you get your point across. Step 2. Practice. Practice, practice, practice. Rehearse your lectures before you go to class. Practice cues such as pause, breathe, or scan the audience for questions. And practice these motions as well. Step 3. Appearance. Being a good lecturer has a lot to do with your appearance. Be trendy and hip. Your students will think you are cool. And everyone listens to cool people, don't they? Tip: the term less is more does not mean that you can go to class naked, as this is still illegal in most countries. Now you are ready to go to your lecture. Remember to arrive at your lecture location early. Make sure any technology you plan to use works properly. Giving the lecture. Grab your audience attention. Open with a catchy quote, surprising fact, or anecdote that the audience members can relate to. Play to your strengths. For example, if you are a comedian, incorporate a joke or two, but stick to what is comfortable for you. Progress through your lecture smoothly, beginning with your introduction and flowing through your notes to the conclusion. Connect all ideas and examples. Be passionate about your topic, and act as though you are really enjoying being there lecturing. This will help you stay dynamic and engaging throughout the lecture. Maintain eye contact with your audience members. Scan the audience slowly, so that each audience member feels that you are addressing him individually. Speak clearly, enunciate your words, use good grammar. Help your audience follow you by posting an overhead outline of your lecture or handing out photocopies of the outline prior to beginning your lecture. Try to break up the lecture into 15 or 20-minute chunks. You may need to adjust based on your audience. Just make sure they don't fall asleep. Tip: if all else fails, use force powers on your students. Warning: this will only work on the weak-minded. Extra tips: videotape yourself while lecturing. Use this to evaluate and improve your delivery.